Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage cutlets. First, gather your ingredients: 1 medium cabbage, 2 boiled potatoes, and 1 finely chopped onion. You'll also need a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 green chilies, and a handful of fresh coriander. Don't forget breadcrumbs for coating, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and your favorite cooking oil. We'll use a few common spices to enhance the flavor. Now let's prepare our main ingredients. Start by finely chopping or grating 1 medium cabbage. Next, boil 2 medium potatoes until tender, then mash them completely. In a pan, sauté the chopped cabbage for about 5 to 7 minutes until it softens and most of its moisture evaporates. This step is crucial for a firm cutlet. Once cooled, combine the sautéed cabbage with the mashed potatoes in a large mixing bowl. It's time to add the flavor. To the cabbage and potato mixture, add your finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 2 chopped green chilies. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, and salt to taste. Incorporate 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to help bind everything. Mix well, then shape the mixture into about 12 to 15 small, round or oval cutlets. For that perfect crispy exterior, roll each shaped cutlet generously in breadcrumbs, ensuring an even coating. Heat about 2 cups of cooking oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the cutlets in the pan, making sure not to overcrowd it. Fry them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crispy. Serve these delicious cabbage cutlets hot with your favorite chutney or sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.